So to install your fine metal tip, this works on the bottles that look like this, that have the shorter caps. In other words, this works on the 2-ounce and the 4-ounce. And if you put a replacement cap on your 8-ounce, so if you purchase one of these caps, your tip will work on it. This tip does not work on the 1-ounce that has the little pointy tip. It is your fine metal tip. Okay, so here's how you put it on. You're going to take it out of the package. And inside here, you're going to have your fine metal tip and a stainless steel pin to put into the cap. You want that because it will keep it from clogging. So let me pour those out here onto the little surface. Now they suggest that you hold on to this in case you ever clog your tip, and it will clog, glue will dry in it, that you can soak it in like alcohol or something like that in this little vial and then rinse it out later. I don't keep this little vial. I just use a little cup or a bowl or something if I get to that point. But there are threads in your metal tip. There are no threads on the plastic. What happens is it creates its own threads. When you place the tip on, you press down and turn, and those threads are created for you. And it's not coming off. It stays in there, and it really makes those little screwed on threads. If you ever need to take it off, you can twist it back off to clean it. Make sure you put that pin in the top, just like that. Don't lose that pin. And if you're ever using your glue for any period of time where you're going to put the glue down and then sit it aside, you want to make sure you put your tip in because it will dry really quick in there. So that's how you install a fine metal tip.